second grade 5 to 7, and the third grade 8. The painting competition was conduction is to recognize the hidden talents, thoughts by painting.
Jamima.
My colleagues from the Indian High Commission, Mrs. Rana, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and not to forget very dear children who participated in the painting competition. I am truly delighted to be here this evening on the occasion of prize distribution for the painting competition organized by the Indian Cultural Center on November 14, which is marked as Children's Day. Very early on, the Indian leadership recognized the worth of children. Today, we call various things like human capital. It's important to nurture children, but I think we must acknowledge the way the Indian leadership very early on recognized and implemented on how to nurture our children, and keeping in mind the future of India, steer them in the right direction by guiding them through moral education, tapping of talent, giving them the right instructions, universal education. These were some of the goals which I'm enumerating here. Our Constitution provides for universal education. It was a directive principle. But again, the Indian leadership in its wisdom thought that we should make it a fundamental right. Today, every child in India gets education. It is his birthright, his or her. And I think we must recognize Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's contribution in this direction. Keeping all these collective objectives in mind and the wisdom of our leadership, November 14 assumes special significance. And it is in some small way that we bring in some children together for a painting competition in recognition of that. It also provides an opportunity for the children to express themselves, get together, build up that spirit of innovation, bring out their ideas on paper. I've just seen the paintings. Of course, they had come home, but I have not seen them carefully. But as Preeti was judging them, but I see a tremendous innovation in what has been depicted by the children, whether it is the Children's Day or the waterfalls, and most importantly, saving our earth, environment. I deliberately put down environment because it is of particular interest to Maldives. And I am indeed very happy to note that quite a few schools participated in this, and I'm sure that in future we'll get a greater participation. But getting a school participate from Hulumale it's again quite commendable. I must commend the initiative taken by the Indian Cultural Center in this regard. I think they certainly deserve to be lauded on their the initiative. I must also take this opportunity to brief you, or at least convey to you what we have in mind in the days to come. We have started our Golden Jubilee Anniversary celebrations. That is the diplomatic relations between India and Maldives. 1st of November was the commencement of our 50th year. We intend to mark this Golden Jubilee in a big way, in a befitting manner that deserves such an occasion to be marked. It's a very important milestone in our relationship. Although India and Maldives have been engaging themselves for millennia, if we look into the history books, we go back a good 2,500–3,000 years. But in the modern times, on 1st of November 1965, we established our diplomatic ties. And we intend to see that there are a number of activities. Why I'm mentioning here is that we have special activities for children. We will be having another competition. We will be having a whole lot of quizzes and attractive prizes. We'll have air tickets to India. And if we get other airlines also on board, we'll get some more tickets from that side as well. And a whole lot of other things. Last time I recall we had cameras and cell phones and whatnot, but we'll again try and get some very attractive prizes for the children as well. So we certainly hope good participation from our friends from Maldives as well. I'm very sure they're the ones who very enthusiastically participated in the event last year when we had organized Dosti Eco-American Week. Hopefully, and I'm very sure that we'll have a good participation from them as well. I don't want to take much of time, but congratulations to all the children who have done so well. And particularly the ones who have won the prizes. But I must say that everyone is a winner, whether you have been judged first, second, or third or not. I think the participation is really important. I'm not saying for the heck of it. I really mean it. I think the fact that you participate in an event, that itself is a major thing. You come, you look at, you meet up with your other friends and indulge in an activity which gives you pleasure. So it is indeed very important that you come and participate in such activities. So I think we should give them all the winners a big hand, and also the participants a big hand, and also the ICC that has taken this initiative kudos, and I must commend you on this. I think that they deserve a big hand. Thank you so much, and let us enjoy the evening forward. Many thanks. Thank you.